I'll just basically, how was your experience? So we did your bathroom about 6 months ago.
Yes.
And you reached out to us and you basically had partially finished basement.
Partially finished basement, and I wanted you guys to come in and to complete the bathroom. And because you did such a great job, I also got you to completely finish off the basement. So that's finishing the drywall, the painting, all the trim work. The bathroom is fantastic. I love the fact that I now have flex space down here in the basement, especially in the summer months. That way I don't have to run the air conditioner all the time. So in the summer I can come down here and I can watch a movie. I have a bathroom right here. I have a nice big spare bedroom as well for extra guests and company. So I am so happy with the job that you guys did. You were on time. You had all the building materials that you needed to do the job. It was during the whole COVID, so the crew that was here was minimal, which was great. I stayed upstairs so that there was separation. You ensured that your staff didn't go anywhere after the job. They came here, they did their work, and they went home. All the building materials were already here, so they didn't need to go out and do any extra shopping.
We called everyone, we still do that, we call everyone in the morning, how you doing, how you feeling? And we actually had one time when one of the guys, he didn't work in your house, he started sneezing, he ended up doing tests and everything was fine, but as soon as that happened, we basically shut down, we shut him down, he stayed home, he went and got tested, it turned out to be that it's fine, then he resumed in a week. But when we were working here, when I actually called you, asked you, is it okay if we continue? We were taking it seriously. We don't want you to get sick. We want guys to be healthy. But at the same time, we're trying to run the business and we want to finish the job and do what we promise you we're going to do, finish the bathroom.
Yeah.
I do like how it turned out.
It's beautiful. It is gorgeous.
It's really
yes.
nice, so.
And you guys even suggested alternate finishings as well. That actually ended up saving me money. I had originally wanted a suspended drop ceiling, and the solid ceiling looks so much better, and it's cheaper. And I didn't think that. I thought that a suspended ceiling would be cheaper, but this is so much better.
No, I'm super glad you let us work in your house. I really appreciate you doing this video. Hopefully whoever watches this will get a sense of us as a company.
I am so happy with all the work that you guys did. Professional, and the place is stunning. I love it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Debbie.
Thank you.
And basically this is the bathroom that we've done for Debbie. And we got the lights going on, so hopefully you guys can see all this. Flooring is the vinyl click, and we have a wall mount vanity. We have reinforced the wall for it to be nice and solid. We've done all the drywall in here, all the plumbing, all the electrical, acrylic shower base, tiled walls. The opening was a bit too big, so we've added some structure there, and we used the space to put a nice little niche. And it's clean, it's elegant, there's no big complications to it, and to me it is exactly what you would want from a nice clean modern bathroom.